Dear students, many caves in India are excellent examples of rock cut architecture around the world. There are more than 1,500 known rock cut structures in India, out of which 1,000 are made by Buddhists, 300 by Hindus, and 200 are made by Jains. Many of these structures contains work of art of global importance. Today, we are going to make ourselves aware of 5 famous caves in India. So, let us start. Let us start with today's chapter, Caves of India. This is chapter number 3 of GK. Let us see first question. This particular cave is located in Jalgaon city of Maharashtra. I will give you one more hint. It has 34 rock cut caves. It depicts Buddhist, Hindu and Jain paintings and sculptures. Can you guess the name of this cave? These are Ellora caves. Let us see next question. Question number 2. This particular cave is located inside Ratapari Wildlife Sanctuary in Madhya Pradesh. It is recognized as World Heritage Site and it displays early man paintings. Can you guess the name of this cave? This is Bhimtek Rock Shelters. The next question is question number 3. This particular cave is located in Karnataka, comprising of 4 caves. 2 caves are dedicated to Lord Vishnu, 1 cave to Lord Shiva and another for Jains. This is a rock cut architecture made of red stones. Can you guess the name? This is Badami Caves. Question number 4. This cave is located near Bhubaneswar in Odisha. It has well-known 33 rock cut chambers showing Hindu and Jain sculptures. It is most famous for 5 feet tall statue of Lord Vishnu's boar avatar. This is Udaygiri Caves. Let us see next question. Question number 5. This particular cave is located near Mumbai on an island. A group of 7 rock cut caves and famous for Mahesh Murthy depicting Lord Shiva in 3 forms. Can you guess the name of this cave? This is the famous Elephanta Cave. Well, these were the famous 5 caves in India. I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you in next session. Until then, take care. Bye bye.